Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we're making a super simple, delicious, creamy Caesar salad dressing.
It's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Alright guys, today I have a super simple, delicious dressing for you. Caesar dressing. You guys have been waiting for this for a while. Plant-based salad dressings are so important. So if when you're changing to a plant-based diet, you're going to be eating more salads or more things that you want salad dressing on. All those fresh veggies and stuff. But if you go to the grocery store, it's so frustrating to try to find a dressing that either doesn't have some kind of milk powder or dairy in it, or oil, or lots and lots of salt. So I know I've scoured that shelf several times, and I might come up with one or two, random ones here or there, but then I go to taste it and it's awful. So it's so easy just to make your own, and that's what we're going to do today. And this is one of our salad dressings along with our other salad dressing series. So if you haven't seen our other salad dressings, check them out. We'll have a link in the details below for you for that whole series. I've got just about all of them in there. So this is a half cup of raw cashews and 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And that's going to really give it that nice zingy flavor. I love the bite of Dijon mustard. And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, roughly. So about half of a lemon, if it's a nice sized lemon. That looks about right. You don't want it too tart because Caesar dressing is more of a creamy dressing. It's not a tart type of dressing. And the secret here to this dressing, which as bizarre as it may seem, is molasses. This is blackstrap molasses, and we're only going to add like 1/8 of a teaspoon. It's just the teeniest amount, but it just gives it that little something. That looks about right. I think it just gives it this dark, kind of rich flavor. And then we have 1/3 of a cup of water. Now we're just going to blend this until it's super, super creamy, and that's it. It's so ridiculously simple. Once you start making your own plant-based dressings, you're going to realize you never have to buy a store-bought dressing again. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share with you some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our new Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting members. By becoming a supporting member, you gain access to great member perks like monthly product giveaways, free downloads of our ebooks, and access to our in-depth courses, including our 28 days Plant-Based Made Easy course, where we offer a step-by-step guide to making the switch to a fully plant-based diet. We create this show for the hundreds of thousands of viewers just like you who tune in each month from all over the world to make it easy for everyone to live a plant-based lifestyle. So if you love our content, please join us on our mission and become a supporting member today by following the link in the description. Okay, let's get back to the show. Is that simple or what? That's ridiculous. So if you can see in here, look at that, silky, oh my goodness. So you do want to blend this for a good amount of time, because if you don't blend it far enough, the cashews will still be a bit grainy, and you don't want to have grainy salad dressing. So just keep blitzing it until it's nice and creamy. I'm going to grab something to put this on, and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. All right, time for my favorite time. I'm going to get to taste this delicious salad dressing. See how creamy that is? My gosh, it's so silky. It's just beautiful. I love it. But it has to taste good. Oh, wow. I think I have a new favorite salad dressing. I thought my honey mustard was my favorite. I think this is a winner. So be sure to check out our other salad dressings in our series. Well, we have a playlist in the link below. Give this a like and I'll see you next week. That's so good.